Whether in assembly systems for battery production or packaging technology, or in production plants, or systems for making machine components, the plastic chain conveyor or the pallet conveyor are used in a wide variety of applications. The multi-carrier system, MCS, can be combined with the XH series plastic chain conveyor as well as the X85P pallet conveyor from FlexLink, exactly where it offers the decisive added value. The carriers can be easily equipped with a product-specific fixture. Even with MCS capability on board, the carriers remain compatible with FlexLink standard modules, example switches, stoppers or index stations, giving you total flexibility. And the transfer in and out between FlexLink and MCS is completely seamless. In our next video, we'll see the integration of MCS in transport systems from Elcom.